Hello friends, today's topic is about delta bilirubin, which is also called a biliprotein. So in detail of this delta bilirubin that we will look. So simple, we are knowing that bilirubin, that is water insoluble. So that initial bilirubin which is formed in our body, that is unconjugated bilirubin. So normally this unconjugated bilirubin, being a water insoluble or hydrophobic in nature, it is transported by the albumin. So albumin is attached over the unconjugated bilirubin. Now what happen if conjugated bilirubin is covalently linked to the albumin? Means normally albumin is combined with the unconjugated bilirubin, but albumin is combined with the conjugated bilirubin, that is covalent attachment, and that is called the delta bilirubin or biliprotein. So simple, what is delta bilirubin? That is nothing but albumin attachment over the conjugated bilirubin, and that is covalent attachment. And half life of this biliprotein, that is 12 to 14 days, but free or unbound bilirubin have only 4 hours half life. So that you have to keep in mind, that attachment that is making half life longer. Further, this particular biliprotein or the delta bilirubin level is increasing conjugated hyperbilirubinemia. So some typical conjugated hyperbilirubinemia or congenital type of the hyperbilirubinemia like Dubin-Johnson syndrome or Rotor syndrome, that is leading to the increased level of this delta bilirubin or biliprotein. So that simple thing about delta bilirubin you have to keep in mind.